Hello, my name's Chloe. I'm a counsellor and trainer, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about a workshop that I run in partnership with Online Events called Sexuality, Gender and Sex. What's the difference? I've put together this workshop because many people get very confused with these terms, and when we bring in things like gender expression, gender identity, physical and emotional attraction, and words like non-binary and intersex, and bisexual and pansexual, people can get very confused where to go with these words. So this workshop is going to be covering some of these basics so that you can build your confidence in working with LGBTQ clients, if they may be exploring their gender identity or their sexuality. There will be an opportunity in the workshop to have some personal reflection on your own sexuality and your own gender identity and gender expression. And this will hopefully help you build a bit more confidence in knowing a bit more about these terms. And we will also have some virtual group work and group discussions and case studies, which will all work together in helping you build that confidence. So if this sounds like something you'd like to give a go and would like to join the group, then I look forward to hearing from you and to meeting you at the next one. Okay, thank you.